All right, we've all been there before, cutting copper in a small space. I needed this auto cut half-inch tube cutter from Husky. Home Depot only had it. Lowe's did not. It's a half-inch cutter. It's a C shape. You basically go in that direction of that arrow. I'd already cut the pipes I needed, but usually I have the traditional one here, but it just was not working for the setup that we had. And we've all been there before, and I needed something new. So, like I said, I've already cut the pipes with it, but I figured, you know what, this helped me. I'm hoping it'll help someone else. Those lines there in the middle, directly in the middle, that's what you line up with. I lined up a Sharpie mark and went ahead and snapped it on. I apologize for the shaky hand. I did not want to lose this down through the gap in the wall, and it was only one hand holding it up. But basically, you apply just a little pressure, snap it on. The bit there clamps, and basically you will go around clockwise and follow the direction of those arrows until the pipe snaps and you get a nice clean cut. I used my old tool to deburr it, which I didn't show in this video, but hope this helps. I've had so many plumbing issues of late, and I apologize I haven't had any videos up, but this tool saved my life, and thank you.